All right, hello everyone, and welcome back to the daily update of my 1000 day challenge. This is day 104, so let's get things started. All right, so first and foremost, you'll notice the current balance right now is at 10651. So it's a little bit up from yesterday. It's actually due to two long trades that I went well for both Bitcoin and Ethereum. However, on the flip side, I just entered a long, like maybe less than an hour ago, and it was actually stopped up due to the strong volatility I see in Bitcoin as well. And also I closed out another trade which I took on the altcoins. I think that was a little bit off my discipline, so there's something to learn from as well, and to keep staying true to the rules and also to the sets of the pairs that I actually do trade consistently as well. So there's something to bear in mind always. All right, so other than that, in terms of the market outlook wise, it looks really bullish in that sense. You see the transition from some of the neutral to bullish. However, ASH actually swapped in that sense. But I would say overall, things looks really bullish wise. You can see S&P 500, a very nice higher high, higher low form on the daily chart. And it has broke out above this trend line per se. And as for NASDAQ, it's actually a little bit more uncertain in that sense, I guess, like I mentioned, because of the stronger bull run it had earlier on for the past 6 months. So tentatively, it could be a little bit weaker in that sense and showing more signs of consolidation in the near term. So while people do the, what they call it, the rotating of the portfolio in that sense. As for ASH, I actually have a little bit of a retracement close below the low here. So potentially we could see some short-term resistance or short-term retracement to retest even the 20 exponential moving average and beyond. That's something I'll be interested to add as well. For KWEB, you can see that it's nicely supported at this 50 simple moving average on the daily chart. And that's something that I've added a little bit more yesterday as well. So yesterday was some sort of like a shopping day for me. I added quite a number of stocks even though they were dropping and stuff like that. And for Bitcoin, it's actually very interesting right now. So over here, it will be very interesting to see what sort of pattern formed by today. So if we do close today with a bearish candle or bearish indecision kind of candlestick, that will be leaning towards potential towards the downside in the near term, as this could be some sort of like a bearish rising wedge per se, especially if you look in terms of 4-hourly chart. It could, without a doubt, just have a false breakout and then drop below. That said, on the 4-hour chart, I do lean towards bullish momentum. Like what I mentioned yesterday, you can see this triangle which I've drawn, potential triangle I formed, and it's forming close to it. So now we see that even though it could potentially still retrace a little bit to this 50 simple moving average, if instead of touching it, it could just break above, then that would be great. Otherwise, I do see that potentially we could just trend a little bit. As long as it's above the 20 exponential moving average, I'm leaning towards the bullish side, and in fact I've already entered a long on this. And yeah, so I'm definitely going to trail in terms of the entry for this. As you can see over here, I mentioned that I enter a long upon the break of 16K. The one on the shorter term break experimental setup has too tight of a stop loss, and in fact it will stop out. But my main trading is still within the scope, and I'll continue to trail with the 50 simple moving average. As long as it doesn't close below that, I still lean towards further bullish momentum, whereby I could retest the 19K region. So that's something that I look forward to. Otherwise, of course, it could always break down, in which case I wouldn't look too short, simply because when it looks too short, the odds is against my favor, and also the risk to reward is not as good as of this moment yet. So yep, that's basically the quick update I have for you guys today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.